can't find ribbon at decent prices. Okay, so let's step back just a bit, and I want to ask, like, what do you mean decent prices? Because we need a little bit of a reality check here. Prices have gone up across the board, and a decent roll of ribbon, a 10-yard roll of ribbon from Craft Outlet, from Brian Lane Designs, from Deco Exchange, from Greenery Market, it's going to be in between $8 to $10 to $12, okay, for a 10-yard roll of ribbon. Now, you can find ribbon at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It is not going to be great quality. The wire is going to be really thin, but average prices for a 10-yard roll of good ribbon, it's going to be in between $8 to $10 to $12, and that's just what it is. I have a whole list of where I shop for ribbon. You can find it in the link on TikTok and in the comments section of this video. If you have any more questions, just let me know.